How to post a TikTok video to Instagram story. Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Let me guide you through quick and easy and how you can connect or share your TikTok video to your Instagram story. Well, you can simply open up TikTok application and open up the video that you like to share. Once you have the video, you can tap on three dots there and you should be able to find the share option. You can see here, you can copy link and you can see the Instagram direct, Instagram, and you'll find the stories icon there as well. To have this, however, make sure that you have Instagram application installed on your device. Then tap on Stories Plus option. It'll start saving up the video and now it'll ask you to open up Instagram. Tap on open and now it'll open up on your story. So you can resize it if you want the video, crop it, and then you can simply tap on done and upload it. So this is how you can easily upload TikTok video to an Instagram story. Hope this video was helpful. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave the comments down below as well.